Hi, and welcome to another episode of Organizing with Allison. I'm Allison. Okay, so today I want to talk about over-organizing. This is a term my mom and I have coined, and I'll get into what that exactly means in a minute, but here's one example. So say I'm doing something mindless, right? Like breaking down boxes. It doesn't take a whole lot of brain cells to do this. So what I'll end up doing is I'm doing it, and then all of a sudden I can't find my tool. And do you know where I find it? I find them here, right here, exactly where they belong. Because I'm so used to putting things back where they belong, not always, but most of the time, that if I'm not paying attention, I will end up putting them back where they belong because I get distracted from whatever mindless project I'm doing, or even from any project that I'm doing. And then when I can't find them, it's because I've put them back where they belong. Because again, I over-organized.
The way that I tend to over-organize myself is that when I go to find something that I haven't needed to use in a while, and I think about, okay, well, where did I put this? And then I go to that area, and instead of closely examining to make sure that I can find what I'm looking for, I'll rapidly scan, which doesn't help at all because you don't actually see anything. And then I start panicking because I rapidly scanned instead of actually looking. And then I start wandering around the house going, well, where would I have put this? And then eventually when I start looking more closely and actually focusing rather than going into a sheer panic, I'll find what I need exactly where I thought it was in the first place. Over-organized. So does this mean that organizing doesn't work? No. What it does mean is sometimes even the best system, you can get in your own way and nothing is infallible. The other thing is that sometimes it's an opportunity for you to go, you know what? I can improve upon this system. So don't think that you're a failure. Don't think that you're not doing it right. Organizing does work. We're all just human and we're trying to do our best. Like these tips? Want more? Go to the link in my bio and sign up for my newsletter.